Hello guys again, we are back with a new unboxing review of this Parkside Air Impact Wrench. It's the model PDSS 310B5, 3 years warranty from Lidl, durable and powerful hammer mechanism, line oiler, black nipple, compressed air oil and hex key. We've got some accessories included inside, 8 pieces socket set included, extension piece. Well, you can see how it looks. Oh, let's open it. Parkside, nice case, durable. There we are. Included we've got the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, of course. Stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about that. And here's the main unit. Now, one by one, we've got this square socket bit holder, rotation direction switch, nice, connector nipple, there is a connector for your air compressor, charge control, you can control that from here. We got 1 to 4 settings, push it and change, easy, trigger. Okay, nice. We've got the Allen key. This is for the oil. Here you can insert this oil for lubrication. We have 11 sockets, including this extension. And here we've got the mini compressed air oiler. You can take out this connector nipple and connect here into the connector nipple, and then the connector nipple you can connect it here. Well guys, that was all about this Parkside Air Impact Wrench. It cost about 30 euros. You can use it at home to your workplace if you are a mechanic, and definitely it will be more useful for the car, changing bolts for your wheels and doing some maintenance to the car. You know where you can use it. Definitely it will be a great idea to buy it and use it with the Parkside air compressor. That is more ideal. Of course, you can use it with other air compressors, you will not have any problem. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching this unboxing and review. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.